Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally something exciting to film. Me and Mark are out storm chasing and we hear thunder in the distance. It's a massive cell heading towards us. It's still about 10 minutes away from us, I reckon. I can just hear the thunder in the distance now. I'll give you a look. I don't know if you can see that, you've just got the hills over there, but hear the thunder all in there. Can't believe I've been waiting for a storm. Been holidays for over four weeks and it's the first storm. Humidity is so high, the temperature, so hopefully it all comes through. Like another little cell up to north of us as well. Some nice clouds right down south as well. Yeah, before the storm hits, I just want to thank everybody for your support. I've got 107 subscribers now. I'm so happy to just get 100, and yeah, that's awesome. Really appreciate that, guys. Just got Mark here, just gonna fly his drone. These things I love them. He's going to head towards that mountain over there and try and get some footage before the storm hits. How far are you going to go?
Oh, I'll be out near the hill. Can't really see.
He's cloud out here. Haven't seen any CGs yet, any bolts. Okay, I'll come back soon when some more action happens. Yeah, so we're out at Iron Knob at the moment. We've been here before, but yeah, it's trying to work out which way the storm's going and see which way we have to head. At the moment, it looks like it's heading straight at us. Awesome clouds, look at these clouds up here. Wow. Alright guys, it's getting closer now. And we can see the cloud out there. I can see like a big rain curtain coming down there now. And the thunder is getting louder. Still haven't seen any CGs yet. Even thunder down there as well, down south. Thunder behind the mines. Come on, show us some action. I don't know if you can hear that thunder, guys. It's fucking, I love that sound. There goes the drone. See ya. Check those clouds out, Mark. It's like, see those clouds there? Those.
Yeah. So I'm trying to do some B-roll, Darren.
Mark's concentrating, trying to fly. Oh, come on, I haven't seen any CG. That's going to pour down soon. I should get my camera out. I'll get my camera out just in case something happens. Okay, talk to you soon. Alright guys, I've got my camera out now. My lightning trigger on. Heaps of thunder, I just can't see any lightning. Oh my god. Look at that cloud over there. That is so low, that bottom cloud there. Come on, give me some lightning. An awesome cloud. Maybe you can see that. It's getting closer. Got to be some lightning in there. I can hear the thunder. Mark's sitting in the car in the air conditioner. Thunder is awesome. These clouds over here. Give us a good hold. I've seen one flash yet. funnel cloud. That lowering there looks crazy. Right guys, heading back to Wyler now, but just spotted this cloud, huge lowering underneath it. Don't think there's that much in it though, but it looks pretty spectacular. Just got rained out at the last location. Okay, talk soon. Back again. We're back to Wyler now. Started rain back in Iron Knob, so had to try and keep ahead of the rain. Bloody freezer now. It's 20 degrees now, and it's really windy, so probably hear it on the mic. But you can still hear thunder. So look at the radar, we can still see lightning heading our way, so I'm just going to wait up Hummock Hill for a bit longer and see how it looks. There you go, still thunder above us. Okay, talk soon guys.